This video is for everyone who has tried almost everything, watched all YouTube videos, and still Safari cannot establish a secure connection. My iPhone 12 was giving this error, Safari cannot establish a secure connection, and it was not opening any of the social networking sites. It was working fine on Wi-Fi but not on mobile data. The problem was fixed by installing an eSIM instead of the physical SIM. In the rest of the video, I'll explain how we reached at this conclusion. I tried to do the basic troubleshooting myself by rebooting the phone and resetting the network settings, etc., but nothing was working. Then I contacted Apple technical support and they went over all the things that which I had already done, including rebooting the phone, resetting the network settings, but nothing was working. Finally, we decided to do a complete factory reset of the phone and recovered it using a backup from the iCloud. Even after doing that, the problem was not solved. Then Apple technical support asked me to get in touch with my cell service provider, which was T-Mobile. When I contacted T-Mobile, I was connected to their level 1 support, which tried all the same steps which Apple had already done without any use. Then I was connected to Tier 3 technical support. The Tier 3 technical support also went over a lot of things, but nothing was working. Finally, the tech said that maybe we need to change your SIM. And instead of the physical SIM, the eSIM was activated in my phone since it was iPhone 12, which had the eSIM. And then he asked me to wait for 15-20 minutes and then restart the phone and try to use the service. And when I did that, the problem was solved and the Safari was connecting to the web. Thanks for watching.